So my name is Mark Fletcher, ENP. I'm a Vice President of Public Safety Solutions at 911inform. The technology that we provide delivers both Carey's Law and the Raybombs Act compliance for any school or business or any venue really that uses a multi-line telephone system or PBX as required by federal law. The 911inform superpower is that we deliver interactive floor plans and maps that provides real-time situational awareness to first responders in the building or school personnel the second that an emergency is triggered or a call is made. We have over 200 integrations into our stack that gives a single pane of glass solution that shows emergency asset information within the building. For Raybombs compliancy, we don't just update the line 2 information like our competition does in the 911 record. We provide a live interactive map of the building with the nearest path to the emergency. Also, the 911inform platform reduces the response time to an emergency by an average of over 8 minutes. As the deployment of additional IoT devices expands, we add that information into the platform, creating a level of information dominance during an emergency. The 911inform platform has got a unique capability that no one else has in the industry: the ability to geofence a customer's property, building, or campus, and then monitor that geofence for 911 calls made from any cell phone without requiring an app on the phone or any downloads. Today only about 20% of 911 calls come from premise-based telephones. 80% of all 911 calls come from cellular devices. So with that information, the 911inform platform can provide property owners with information about the location of that 911 call, as well as information about all the IoT devices that we mentioned earlier. The one thing that we want partners to know about us is the 911inform solution is an emergency response platform. So while delivering a solution for Carey's Law and the Raybombs Act compliance, these are only 20% of all 911 calls, which are 240 million a year. And that leaves 80% of those or more uncovered.